If you're into web development or even thinking about starting, you've probably heard the term JavaScript thrown around a lot. But have you ever wondered why JavaScript is so important in web development? Stick around because today we're breaking it all down. Introduction to JavaScript. First off, JavaScript is a programming language that was created in 1995. Its main goal was to make web pages interactive. And boy, has it evolved since then? Today, JavaScript powers nearly 98% of websites on the internet, making it the backbone of modern web development. Without JavaScript, the web would just be a collection of static, boring pages. It's the reason buttons work, animations happen, and web apps feel alive. JavaScript's role in front-end development. In front-end development, JavaScript helps bring your website to life. It's what makes things like drop-down menus, sliders, and interactive forms possible. Imagine typing into a search bar and seeing results pop up instantly. That's JavaScript working its magic. JavaScript in back-end development, but wait, JavaScript isn't just for the front end anymore. Thanks to technologies like Node.js, it's also used on the back end to build fast, scalable servers. Think of it as JavaScript stepping out of the browser and handling tasks like database management and APIs. Full-stack developers love it because you can use one language for both front and back ends. Ecosystem and libraries. Another reason JavaScript is essential. Its ecosystem. Libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue make it easier than ever to build complex, user-friendly interfaces. These tools save developers time and effort, letting them focus on creating amazing user experiences. Real-life examples. Did you know that some of the biggest names in tech rely on JavaScript? YouTube, Facebook, Netflix all use JavaScript to deliver seamless experiences to their users. Career opportunities. And if you're thinking about a career in web development, mastering JavaScript is a no-brainer. It's one of the most in-demand skills in tech, with plenty of job opportunities, whether you're into front-end, back-end, or full-stack development. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, JavaScript is the key to unlocking your potential as a web developer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing about JavaScript. Until next time, happy coding!